A lot of iPhone users ask this question. How can I reset my iPhone camera settings back to default? Maybe your photos look different. Maybe you changed too many settings. Maybe your video settings are messed up. So, is there a reset button just for the camera? Unfortunately, no. There is no dedicated option on the iPhone that says Reset Camera Settings. If you are using the default camera app, Apple does not provide a separate reset button just for it. The only way to completely reset the camera settings back to factory default is by resetting all iPhone settings. And here is how. Go to the settings, then tap on General. Scroll all the way down. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and choose Reset All Settings. You'll enter your passcode, and once you confirm, all system settings will return to default. But listen carefully. This does not reset only the camera. It resets Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, display, privacy, notification settings, keyboard dictionary, location settings. Basically, every system setting on your iPhone, but it does not delete your photos, your apps, your messages, your files. Your data stays safe. Only settings change. So, why this affects the camera? The camera app does not have independent reset controls. Its behavior is tied to system settings like camera formats, video resolution, frame rate, preserve settings, grid, HDR, photographic styles. So, when you reset all settings, those camera configurations go back to default too. Now, honestly, if you only changed one or two camera settings, it might be better to manually change them back. You can go to the settings, then camera, and adjust formats, record video, record slow-mo, preserve settings, photographic styles, back to default manually. Yes, it takes a little time, but it saves you from resetting your entire iPhone settings. So, to answer the question clearly, is there a way to reset only the iPhone camera settings? No. The only official way is reset all settings. And that resets everything, not just the camera. If this helped you understand how it really works, follow for more clear and honest iPhone guides.